This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the passenger's door and pull the bonnet release handle. Raise the bonnet slightly, then move the safety catch lever to the side. Fully lift the bonnet, unclip the support prop and engage the end with the hole in the bonnet hinge bracket. Slacken the engine oil sump drain plug with a suitable socket or square drive bit. Position a suitable container under the sump. Fully unscrew the drain plug and allow the old oil to drain into the container. Clean the drain plug and renew the sealing washer. Clean the drain hole area, then refit the plug and tighten it to the specified torque. Move the container to under the front of the engine. Working from above, use a suitable socket and extension bar to unscrew the filter cover. Remove the cover along with the filter element. Be prepared for oil spillage. Pull the old element from the cover. And remove the sealing ring with a small screwdriver. Wipe clean the inside and outside of the cover. Insert the new filter element into the cover. Then locate the new sealing ring into the groove. Lubricate the sealing ring with a little clean engine oil. Maneuver the cover and element into the housing. Then tighten it to the specified torque. Remove the container from beneath the vehicle. Unscrew the oil filler cap from the top of the engine, then add approximately 2 litres of the correct grade of the engine oil. Pull the dipstick from the guide tube and examine the oil level. Continue to add oil a small quantity at a time until the level is up to the upper mark on the dipstick. With the level correct, reinsert the dipstick and refit the filler cap. Start the engine and run it for a few minutes. Check for leaks around the oil filter seal and the sump drain plug. Note that there may be a delay of a few seconds before the oil pressure warning light goes out when the engine is first started, as the oil circulates through the engine oil galleries and the new oil filter before the pressure builds up. Switch off the engine, then wait a few minutes for the oil to settle in the sump once more. Recheck the level on the dipstick and add more oil as necessary.